So, guys, we are back with another delicious meal, and today my husband is cooking pork rib. And, guys, I'm telling you, it tastes as good as it look. God know when did I do when he make the woman from the rib. Oh, yes, my Sunday dinner is up. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So, stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's the Bailey, as you guys know it, and today Dad is in the kitchen making the Sunday dinner. So he's just blending up his seasoning here, making his green seasoning. So let's see how it looks. Okay, that's good. And we have this lovely piece of pork rib here that we're gonna be making for dinner. So here he's just cutting the meat, and basically this is just to let the seasoning that he will be putting on the meat soak into it when we put it to marinate. So here he's just putting his blended seasoning onto the meat, and he's just gonna rub that in to get it all good and going. Okay, so in your blended season, what did you put?
Garlic, thyme,
Mm-hmm.
scallion, onion,
Mm-hmm.
pimento seed.
Okay.
Yes, and a little Maggi season.
Okay. That's that's good. It smells good. Okay, guys, so here is just gonna be adding some powder season as well, and this is the Maggi Soup It Up all-purpose seasoning, and he's also gonna add some barbecue seasoning. So you can put whatever powder seasoning you have there for meat and just rub it in. Wow, this meat looks so good and so ready for the oven.
So you like the season, right? Right fit.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Oh yes, so the pork rib is ready for the oven. Oh yes, smelling very nice.
Oh, woman job. Doggy, no.
Okay. Alright, this is the first look at the pork since it went into the oven. Oh yeah, it's looking good.
Mommy.
No, let's see.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we also have some French fried chicken going on in here. So we're gonna be having French fried chicken and the pork for dinner. Okay, so he's gonna be making his sauce to go on the rib. So he's gonna be using the barbecue sauce here, a little bit of Diana sauce, ketchup, and a little bit of orange juice and a little sugar.
Why do you want to whisper?
Fried chicken looking really nice, guys, I'm telling you. Okay, so he's just gonna dress the pork with some sauce now.
I am going to test it.
rice jelly?
Really, man.
Mm.
Really like a shelly, baby.
Yeah. Yes, rice and peas good to go, guys. Oh yes, guys, the pork is ready and the rib is looking so good. So daddy just gonna dress it up right now. I'm just going to be sharing that is dinner out. Dinner is ready. There you go. And guys, you know we have to make our famous carrot juice. So pour daddy a glass of carrot juice. Oh yes, Miss Abieli, the chef in the building. Food looking really good.
It's a ribs there.
Mommy, dinner is awesome.
Oh yeah? Did you eat all your meat already, Joe? You like the meat?
Yeah, make more for me.
Okay, I will. Miggy, is your dinner good? Hmm? Mickey na answer now. Mickey busy I eat. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I am about to eat my dinner. Guys, I'm telling you, the pork tastes good. Mm-mm.
Little supper.
Mm-hmm. Dinner tastes good, guys. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. It's nice, but it's legit good. It's really called well done. Mm-hmm. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. Bye.